Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons that we offer. This week in class we've been talking about pets and animals. And as a result, a lot of my students have been bringing in photographs of their pets and sharing them. And there seems to be a large number of dogs out there. A lot of my students seem to have dogs as pets. And when they're sharing the photos, there's lots of discussion about how cute the dogs are, how long have you had him, what breed is she, how often do you take her out for a walk, and so on. And I must confess that I generally sit there during these discussions feeling a little bit bemused by people's enthusiasm for dogs because, to be honest, I'm not really a dog person. I'm much more of a cat person. Here in our house in North London we have 3 cats and I've never owned a dog in my life. If you say I'm not really a dog person, it means I don't really like dogs. They're not really my kind of thing. I'm much more of a cat person. I much prefer cats. In the same way, if you're in a restaurant and someone says to you, "What kind of wine do you want? White? Red?" You might respond by saying, to be honest, I'm not really a wine person. I'm more of a beer person, so I think I'll just stick with that. Maybe for some of you, you're not really a morning person. Maybe you don't really wake up until around midday. Or when you're talking about holidays, you might say, I'm not really a beach person, to be honest. I don't really like the idea of covering myself in sunscreen and then getting coated in sand. It's not for me. I'm more of a city break kind of a person. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about you're not really a what kind of person, you're more of a what kind of person.